From boosting your stamina to enhancing your skin, beetroots offer a wide range of health benefits. So stick around as we explore the top benefits of beetroot and why you should consider adding it in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the amazing benefits of a vibrant and nutritious vegetable beetroot. First up, let's talk about how beetroot can improve your heart health. Beetroot is rich in nitrates which can convert into nitric oxide in your body. This helps to relax and widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Consuming beetroots can reduce the risk of heart related diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. The nitrates also help to reduce arterial stiffness, further supporting cardiovascular health. Adding beetroot into your meal is a delicious and effective way to take care of your health. Whether in salad, juices, or smoothies, beetroot can make a big difference. It is also known for its ability to lower blood pressure. And a balanced blood pressure also helps to reduce the risk of heart related diseases. Next, let's have a look at how beetroot can boost your immune system. Beetroot is packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients help to strengthen your immune system, protect your cells from damage, and keep your body functioning at its best. Including beetroot into your daily diet can help you stay healthy in ward of illness, especially during cold and flu season. Beetroot also have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, as the betalains, which gives beetroot their vibrant color, has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. So, including beetroot into your diet helps to reduce inflammation and support overall health. A delicious beetroot salad is not only tasty but also a great way to keep inflammation at bay. Moreover, beetroots are also great for your digestive health, as they are high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps to keep your gut healthy. Moreover, fibers add bulk to your stool, promotes regular bowel movements, and can prevent digestive issues like constipation and bloating. So, a beetroot smoothie is a fantastic way to get a good dose of fiber and keep your digestive system in top shape. Beetroot can also enhance your brain function, as the nitrates in beetroot help to improve blood flow to the brain, which can boost cognitive function and slow down cognitive decline. This can be particularly beneficial for older adults, helping to maintain sharpness and clarity, as being mentally sharp is crucial. And beetroot can be a part of your strategy to keep your brain healthy. Another benefit of beetroot is its detoxification properties, as beetroots contain betaine, which supports liver function and helps to detoxify the body. A healthy liver is essential for filtering out toxins and waste products from your body. Including beetroot into your diet can support this natural detox process. Believe me, a simple beetroot detox drink can work wonders in keeping your liver and body clean. Beetroot can also improve your skin health. The antioxidants and nutrients in beetroot help to nourish your skin and protect it from damage. Regular consumption of beetroot can lead to a healthy, glowing complexion. You can also apply beetroot juice directly to your skin for an added boost of hydration and antioxidants. Whether you eat it or use it as a face mask, beetroot can give your skin that radiant glow. Beetroot can also be a great addition to your diet if you are looking to lose weight. It's low in calories and high in fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Including beetroot into your meals can help to reduce overall calorie intake while providing essential nutrients to support your weight loss journey. Finally, let's talk about beetroot's potential role in cancer prevention. The antioxidants in beetroot, particularly betalain, has been shown anti-cancer properties. These compounds help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body and may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancerous cells. Regularly including beetroot into your life can be a protective step towards a healthier and potential cancer free life. Beetroot also supports enhanced liver function. As per the betaine found in beetroots, aids in liver detoxification and helps to protect liver cells from damage by supporting your liver. Beetroot helps your body efficiently remove toxins and maintain optimal metabolic function. Looking for a natural way to boost your stamina? Beetroot might be your answer, as the nitrates in beetroots improve mitochondrial efficiency, which enhances your body's energy production. This increased efficiency can help you feel more energized throughout the day, making it easier to tackle daily tasks and stay active. Whether you are at work or in play area, beetroot can give you that extra energy boost you need. Beetroot is also beneficial for pregnant women as it's high in folate, a vital nutrient for fetal development. So, darlings, from boosting your stamina to enhancing your skin health, beetroot is truly a powerhouse of nutrients. Whether you enjoy it raw juiced, roasted, or blended into smoothies, there are countless ways to add beetroot to your meals. Let us know in the comment sections how you like to use beetroots into your meals. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video then give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends so they can also get to know about amazing benefits of beetroot. See you next time. Tada!